How you going, guys? It's Josh here from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today we just got this van coming in just for a service. This van hasn't had a service for a while. We're just basically going to give you guys a tip with your suspension bushes. As you'll see in a sec after I move it, these bushes are well and truly gone because you've got movement in the shackles. So your best option is, if you want to go and try and test this at home, jack your van up, take your wheels off, go and get a bar of some sort, and what you need to do is go in between the rocker arm and the leaf spring, and when you move it up, if you get movement up and down, as you can see here, on both sides, it's normally a good indication that the bushes are going to be gone. So that's a good tip that we can give you guys if you want to go and try and start checking some of this stuff at home. If you've got any other comments or questions about suspension and how other ways to check it and with ball bearings and stuff, give us a comment on our Facebook page, or you can give us a call. Thank you.